Alright, so it is the morning after, and we are trying the bread service again. Last night was not very successful, but we got an arrival window of 11:50 to 12:20, and we're going to be getting our bread service. I am super excited. It's the only thing we're getting. Nothing else on the menu really piqued my interest, so I'm excited. Something that you guys should probably be aware of, if you're ordering Sanaa to go, they note that, you know, before you even place your order, that you're going to be waiting the same amount of time as if you were actually sitting at a table. Everything is supposedly made to order, so I mean, my arrival window opened up for me to put in, like, say that I'm here at 11:45. So I've been here for a little over 15 minutes now, waiting for the Sanaa to go bread service. So just something to bear in mind is that you are going to be waiting a little while. Alright, just by the entrance to Sanaa, we have the exit out here to another viewing area. This is one of the main viewing areas of the biggest savanna that I would definitely recommend being on. Our room is in that building right there, and you can see we got a lot of different animals out there. We have other animals over here. We got a couple of zebras, and we had a giraffe walking by earlier that you can see its butt right over there. Look at how derpy that thing is. Look at it going down and getting sun. It's getting a drink of water or something. Hold up. Like, look at that. Look at his legs spread. It looks so derpy. But anyways, it's so nice out here. And I just want to say, the backside of the lobby looks absolutely gorgeous. There's some incredible architecture. And unfortunately, as much as we'd like to stay out here and admire the animals, because Coda really wants to, she's actually pouting her way back inside, we have our bread service to pick up. I'm super excited to try that. All right, back in the room, and we have our bread service. We have all the different sauces over here. Unfortunately, they are not labeled, so it's kind of left up to us to figure out exactly what is what. You know, this bread service is really overhyped, so I am excited, and hopefully it lives up to the hype.
There is a tamarind chutney, a mango chutney, tomato date jam, roasted red pepper hummus, red chili sambal, I'm white, garlic pickle, spicy jalapeno lime pickle, and coriander chutney. I left out that one. It's cucumber rayada. I'm white. Alright,
so first up was this one, and we're not entirely sure what it is. We're trying to narrow it down. We don't know if it's the red chili symbol or the spicy jalapeno lime pickle. I don't think it's that one because I didn't taste any pickle in that one. Not the red pepper hummus. Could be the spiced. Oh no, wait, those are the different breads. Okay, so we're not worried about that.
This picture's also pre-COVID.
Okay. So I think it's the
the red chili.
The red chili. It could be the red chili. Not a huge fan of that one, but it is definitely spicy. All right, next up was definitely hands down the cucumber riata, because there's little chunks of cucumber in there. Not bad. Very strong cucumber flavor. I don't really taste anything else other than cucumber, but not bad. All right, next up we can only assume is the garlic pickle because it's got whole chunks of garlic in there. I didn't taste any pickle, but it's not bad. If you're a garlic person, then I think you'll enjoy that one. And this one's actually really good. It's a little bit spicy, but it's also sweet as well. But either way, and it's so hard to identify these guys, so don't take what I'm saying like as that is exactly what it is. All right, this one so far is my favorite. We don't think it's teriyaki, but it tastes like teriyaki because there's no teriyaki listed here, so I don't know exactly what that could be actually. But either way, this one that looks like teriyaki and it's rather liquidy looks really good, or it tastes really good. Okay, so we're thinking that this one is the spicy jalapeno lime pickle. It does have a little bit of kick to it, and I can kind of get the pickle out of it, but I don't know how I care. I don't know if I care for much for that one. Okay, so the red pepper hummus, pretty good. The mango one is actually really delicious, and this one's got like an applesauce consistency. I cannot tell you exactly what that one is, but it's quite delicious as well. Okay, so I've narrowed down what sauces I like. This one is in the middle. This is the cucumber one. I'm still really iffy on that one. I don't know if I love it or hate it. And then these up here, I definitely do not care for. And so, you know, you can kind of get an idea visually of what I didn't like and for what I did like. And as far as the bread's not bad at all. It's got like some melted butter on it, and it's really delicious. I haven't tried this one down here. but so far I have no complaints on the bread whatsoever. All right, the bread service is done. We have finished. I told you guys exactly what I liked and what I didn't like, and my overall thoughts. All right, so the bread service. It was okay. I definitely think it's overhyped for what it is. It was $18. Do I think it's worth $18? No, I do not think it is worth $18. Maybe like $13, $14, if that. But you know, you get different pieces of bread, and the bread's not bad, you know, but it's definitely not the greatest thing ever. And you know, maybe the price point is because it's handmade or all different sauces. I don't exactly know what goes into the price point, but it's not horrible. It is definitely not horrible. And I definitely, you know, I'm gonna I'm gonna sound like Michael K here for a second. I would not go out of my way for it. You know, that is, you know, one of the few times that I will actually say that, where, you know, I'm gonna emphasize, you know, only because this food item is so overhyped, you know, I definitely would not go out of my way for it. So that's just my 2 cents on it. You know, if you really want to try it, then go ahead, you know, come out here for yourself and try it. But only try it only if you're, you know, staying at this hotel. If you just so happen to be staying here, then go ahead and try it. It's right here. But yeah, I'm actually kind of disappointed in it. You know, I was expecting the sauces to be a bit more spectacular, but then again, that's just, you know, my palate is, you know, different than yours. So I don't know, who knows. But yeah, we're gonna be heading to a park soon anyways. Maybe we'll take a nap. I don't exactly know, but I'm still kind of bummed. I guess I still need to process it. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate it. This was definitely one of our more unprofessional food reviews, but as you guys can probably tell from the last video, we were invited guests in someone else's hotel room, so we weren't exactly able to go all out on this food review like we normally do in other food reviews, so I hope you guys can understand that. If you guys enjoyed today's video, I would really appreciate it if you guys leave a like. It really does help out the channel against the YouTube algorithm. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down in the comment section below. Do you guys agree with my opinions on the Sanaa Bread Service, or do you guys have something different in mind and want to share your thoughts? Leave them down in the comment section below. Subscribe if you're new around here. Ring that bell, get notified whenever I upload a new video like this in the future. I hope you are all having a wonderful day, morning, afternoon, evening, and I will see you guys in the next video.